Tired of guessing your shoe size and ending up with kicks that just don't fit? I'm going to show you how to use the Nike app to scan your feet and find the perfect size, every single time. First, open the Nike app and tap the profile icon, typically located in the bottom right corner of the screen. If you aren't already, log into your Nike account. Next, select the shoes you want to buy. Look for the Find Your Size option on the shoes product page and tap it. Select the Measure option. The Nike app will prompt you to use your phone's camera to scan your feet. Agree to the camera permissions if required. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully. You'll need to place your feet against a wall on a hard surface. The app will guide you through the scanning process. Make sure your feet are positioned correctly and the lighting is good. Once the scan is complete, the app will display your foot measurements and recommend the optimal shoe size. Now, you can confidently select the recommended size and add your shoes to your bag. No more guessing games. Enjoy your perfectly fitted Nikes.